Mastering the past continuous passive in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, the past continuous passive. This is a useful tense for expressing actions that were happening in the past and were interrupted or influenced by another action. Let's dive in. The past continuous passive is used to talk about actions that were ongoing in the past and then were interrupted by another event. It is formed by combining was, were plus being plus past participle of the main verb. For example, the book was being read when the phone rang. The house was being painted when it started to rain. In both examples, the ongoing action, reading the book, painting the house, was interrupted by another event, phone ringing, rain starting. The past continuous passive is commonly used when the focus is on the action and not on who was performing the action. This is why it is often used in writing, especially in reports and narratives, to provide a more formal or objective tone. For example, the research was being conducted when new data were introduced. The documents were being sorted when the fire alarm sounded. Remember, the usage of the past continuous passive, like other passive forms, puts emphasis on the action, not the doer. For the negative form of the past continuous passive, you simply add not, after, was, or were. For example, the cake was not being baked when I arrived. When forming questions, you reverse the subject and the auxiliary verb, was, or were. For example, was the cake being baked when you arrived? Try creating your own sentences using these forms. Practice makes perfect. That brings us to the end of this lesson on the past continuous passive. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this grammar point, and feel confident in using it in your own English writing and speaking. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination, so keep practicing and keep learning. See you in our next video.